Hey developers, welcome back to Droid Scripter. In today's video, we're going to explore an essential aspect of modern Android apps, the splash screen. We'll be using Jetpack Compose and Kotlin to create a sleek and animated splash screen. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the code. First, you need to add this dependency in your ViewModel. In our raised values styles.xml file, we've defined a second style. Theme.app.starting is designed specifically for our splash screen. It inherits from theme, splash screen, and sets custom attributes for the window background color, animated icon, and the post-splash screen theme. Now on our Android manifest, we need to change the main theme to our splash screen theme named theme.app.starting. In our main activity, we've integrated the brand new splash screen API, which is now available in Android. We're using the install splash and extension function to set up our splash screen. We've introduced a ViewModel delay to manage the delay logic. This ViewModel is essential for controlling when the splash screen exits, giving our app time to perform any necessary setup tasks before displaying the main content. We've set up a condition using setKeepOnScreenContent to keep the splash screen visible until our ViewModel signals that the app is ready to proceed. This is a great way to ensure a smooth transition from splash to main content. Take a look at our custom exit animation, defined in setNextAt animations. We're using an object animator to fade out the splash screen icon gradually. This adds a touch of elegance to the transition. As we move on to the Compose content in Set Content, we simply wrap our main content in the My Application theme and call the screen composable function. This is where your main app content will eventually reside. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on implementing a splash screen using Jetpack Compose and Kotlin. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more Android development content. And until next time, happy coding!